Good evening, viewers. Welcome to my channel, Census 2027 Learning Hub. So, in this Census HLO Mobile App series, this is the third video, and we'll focus on various practical issues faced by enumerators and supervisors in the field while using the HLO Mobile App, along with their possible resolutions and important points to keep in mind. The objective of this series is to make field level troubleshooting easier and help you use the HLO app more effectively during census operations. So, without any further ado, let's start today's session. So, in this video, we are getting a lot of issues in the field regarding the use of two two repeat, right? So you can see in my screen also. So this is one repeat and this is another repeat, right? So these two repeats when we need to use, so we'll discuss in this video, right? See, I will make two scenarios and then I will explain, right? First scenario is case 1. When I have one building and two census house, and in each census house, let's say census house 0001 and 0002, we have one household, means household 1, and another one has also household 1, means single household in each census house. In this scenario, how we will use this menu, right? So what we will do, first we will what we'll do, we'll go to this menu, right? And after that, means this menu will come after we click on this new house list entry. Okay, so after clicking on in this block, we will be landed to this menu. Here what we need to do, first we will give the building number. Let's say my building number is 001. Okay, after that what I will do, let's say I will do it here also along with this. Let's say building 001. After that what I will do, I will click this one, this new, and after I clicked here this new, the census house number will be generated like 000 and 1. So 000 and 1. So after that I need to click here next, and then I need to next and fill the questionnaires and submit. Questionnaires and submit, right? So next what we will do, see, I'll go step by step. Okay, so let me clear it. Once again, just clear this one. So now what I will do, now my building is same building number is 001. Okay, building is same. So here from this drop down I will select 00001, all I will directly click on repeat. As building number is same, means in this case also my building is 001 and I need to repeat this 001, so I will click here repeat. So while I will repeat it, the last building number will be repeated. In my case it's 001, so 001 will be repeated, and then I need to click next, then I to click not next, then I to click new. So first means for the second census house under this building, what I am doing, I am first clicking on this repeat, and then I will click here new, because this is the second census house under this building 001. Well, when I will click 00 new here, then the census house will, the new census house generated will be, the new census house that will be generated will be what, 0002. So new census house, when I will click here new, then new census house will be generated is 0002, and after that I will click again in next, and then I will continue with the when I will click next, and I will continue with the questionnaires. So this is how my first scenario, means one building, two census house, two census house, and each census house has one household, one household. Each has one household. Okay. So I think this is clear. Case one. One building, two census house, and each census house has single household. Okay. Now I will make the second scenario. So second scenario will be like that. Just wait for, let me rub it. So second scenario will be I have one. Okay, just hold. I need to rub this also. Let me do this. So let me clear it. Hmm, copy. Let me paste it for paste. Okay. Let me clear it. Okay, fine now. So now what I will do is the second scenario, right? This time I will write some in small. What I will do, let's say case 2. In case 2, I have one building, number is 001, and under that one building I have two census house, 0001 and 0001, and each census house has one house, two household, right? So this scenario I need to execute using this menu. So what I will do, first I will go with the building number 001. Let's say my first building is 001. After that I will go to this new, and then I will click it, then census house generated will be 0001. Okay. So first what I have done, building 001, and then I have what I have done, I have pressed the new, so it will create the census house number 0001, and then I will click next, and then questionnaires, right? For the second, means let's say here the first household data I have completed. After that the building is same, let's say building is same. Okay, then I will, what I will do once again. So first one is clear, right? So second time what I will do, I will just go to 001. I will not click repeat. I'll go to 001, and after that I will click repeat here. This is the second case for this one. So first I will from the drop down I will select 001, and then I will click here this repeat. Once I will click this repeat, this census house 0001 will be repeated. Means for the second household, the census house is common 0001. And similarly, after repeat, we'll go to the next, and then I will complete the questionnaire. So what I have done here, building number 001 I have selected. After that, what I have done, I have clicked the repeat, below repeat, below repeat. ठीक है, नीचे वाला जो रिपीट है इसको हम लोग क्लिक करेंगे. तो बिलो रिपीट जब हम क्लिक करेंगे उसके बाद क्या होगा, सेंसस हाउस रिपीट होगा. ठीक है, उसके बाद हमें नेक्स्ट करना है और क्वेश्चनियर्स को फिलअप करना है. तो इससे क्या हो जाएगा, हाउस होल्ड 2 का डाटा स्टोर हो जाएगा। सो दिस इज द प्रोसेस। सिमिलरली हमें हमें यहाँ पे भी यही करना पड़ेगा। अब हम जब ऊपर में आएंगे तो अभी हमें बिल्डिंग को रिपीट करना है, ठीक है। तो उस केस में हमें क्या करेंगे, हमें ये रिपीट को क्लिक करना होगा। जब हमें बिल्डिंग नहीं, सॉरी, हाँ, बिल्डिंग नंबर को जब हमें रिपीट करना होगा तब हम इस रिपीट को यूज करेंगे। तो अभी मैं थोड़ा सा फिर से एक बार आपको क्लियर कर देता हूँ इस चीज को। पहला जो रिपीट है, ये रिपीट हम तब यूज करेंगे, तो दोनों सिनेरियो आपको क्लियर हो गया है अभी, राइट। फर्स्ट रिपीट, जो टॉप रिपीट है, वो हम तब यूज करेंगे टॉप रिपीट कब यूज करेंगे, जब हमें टू रिपीट बिल्डिंग नंबर, बिल्डिंग नंबर, ठीक है। एंड बॉटम रिपीट, ये रिपीट हम कब यूज करेंगे, बॉटम रिपीट हम तब यूज करेंगे जब हमें रिपीट क्या करना है, सेंसस हाउस, रिपीट सेंसस हाउस। ये कौन से केस में होगा, वन बिल्डिंग वन सेंसस हाउस और दो हाउस होल्ड है, H1 एंड H2। और ये केस कब होगा, वन बिल्डिंग टू सेंसस हाउस, सेंसस हाउस वन एंड सेंसस हाउस टू, ठीक है ना। इस केस में वन सेंसस होगा। इस केस में मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, बिल्डिंग को रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है। वन बिल्डिंग मतलब एक बिल्डिंग को हम जब रिपीट करेंगे तब हमें ऊपर वाला रिपीट को यूज करना है, और जब हम एक सेंसस हाउस को रिपीट करेंगे तब हमें नीचे वाला रिपीट को यूज करना है, ठीक है। तो ये एकदम इजी कॉन्सेप्ट है। और कभी भी हमें नया सेंसस हाउस जब भी सिलेक्ट करना है तो हमें ये न्यू यूज करना होगा, न्यू एवरी टाइम फॉर न्यू सेंसस हाउस, ठीक है। सेंसस हाउस जब भी हमें नया कुछ सिलेक्ट करना होगा तब हमें ये न्यू को यूज करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है ना। तो यही कॉन्सेप्ट है, तीनों कॉन्सेप्ट में आपको क्लियर करवा दिया हूं, ठीक है। बाकी बाकी आपका जो अगला नेक्स्ट वीडियो होगा उसमें मैं और भी डिटेल्स में बताऊंगा। So that's all for today's session. I hope this issue and its resolution discussed in this video will be helpful during your field operations. If you are facing any other practical issue while using the HLO mobile app, you may share it in comment section that we can try to cover it in the upcoming videos of the series. Stay connected with the Census 2027 Learning Hub. Do like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming sessions on HLO app series, resolutions, and practical guidance. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.